What if you could build an entire city just by drawing one crossroad? Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll be creating a procedural road crossroad in Unreal Engine using PCG. First, you need to enable the PCG plugin from the Plugins menu. To create a four-way intersection, we first need to build a single road. So let's create a new blueprint and rename it to Road. Open the blueprint and add a spline component. Then in the tag section, create a custom tag of your choice. Now it's time to create our PCG graph. To link our blueprint to the PCG system, we add a Get Spline data node, switch it to All World Actor mode, and enter the same tag we used on the blueprint to find and connect it. Next, we add a spline sampler and a static mesh spawner node. By assigning a mesh to it, we can test the setup and make sure everything is working correctly. Now we need another blueprint that will act as our crossroad. So we create another blueprint, and this time, for example, we add a plane mesh to it and assign a tag to it just like before. This time in our PCG graph, we need to use a Get Actor data node to retrieve information from the plane blueprint. Now we want to spawn another blueprint at the location of our actor. So we'll use the Spawn Actor node. Next, we simply select our blueprint and assign it to the Spawn Actor node to achieve the desired result. Now, if we drag our plane into the scene, you'll see that the spline is attached to it. Now we're ready to build our road. In modeling mode, we create a box and apply a texture from Quixel to turn it into the road mesh we need. If you run into UV rotation issues on the road mesh, you can fix it by going to the UV section in modeling mode and rotating the UVs to align them properly. Now, by adjusting the distance value in the PCG graph, you can finalize the look and spacing of the road. Now, to place the road on all four sides of the plane, we need to open the blueprint and duplicate the spline. Then, by repositioning and rotating the copies, we can create roads in all directions. If you found the video helpful so far, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment. As you can see, we now have roads on all four sides. I created a simple mesh in Blender for the center of the crossroad, so now I'm importing it into Unreal and applying a texture to it. To use the imported mesh, we need to replace the plane in our blueprint with a static mesh component. If the size doesn't match properly, we can adjust its scale accordingly. As you can see, we've reached our main goal. Now, by simply extending the splines, we can continue the streets in any direction. Up next, we'll add more meshes to further complete the scene. To do this, we can either use another spline sampler or duplicate the existing one. Then by using a transform points node, we can adjust the position of the meshes as needed. Just like that, the poles have been added. We'll now speed up the process as we add the remaining meshes. As you can see, our project is now complete. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please support us with a like and a comment.